All right, step number 3 asks the question, do we have a variable on both sides of the equation? And when we look at this equation, we have 8x, we have a variable here, and we have 4x, we have a variable here as well. So we do have a variable on both sides of the equation. We want to have the variable only on one side of the equation because the end result we wanted to say x equals and a number. So the x only needs to be on one side of the equation. And we do this by undoing the term that has the lower coefficient. Now what does that mean? The coefficient is the number that is multiplied by the variable. So on this right side, the 4 is the coefficient. On the left side, 8x, 8 is multiplied by x, so 8 is the coefficient. We want to go to the term that is lower, has the lower coefficient, which is the 4x. And we want to undo the 4x, which means we want it to disappear. We want it to equal 0. So if we have a positive 4x, in order to make it 0, what we'll do is we subtract 4x. Minus 4x. So 4x minus 4x is 0. So now we have made that variable on the right side disappear. However, because this is an equation, we need to also do the same thing on the other side in order for this equation to still be true. So if we subtract 4x on the right side, we also have to subtract it on the left side. And we are left with 4x. 8x minus 4x equals 4x. Now we have to subtract the 4x from the 8x because those are the like terms. We cannot subtract it from the 6. Those are not like terms. So what are we left with? We're going to rewrite the equation now. We are left with 4x plus 6 equals 8. So now we have the x only on one side of the equation, and we can move on to step number 4.